Hi, welcome to Imperium Learning. This is the 6th exercise in a 7-exercise Excel course. In this video now, I'd just like to spend a bit of time talking about the prerequisites that you'll need in order to get the most out of this exercise. I'd also like to spend some time talking about the task that you'll be doing. And then finally as well, I'd just like to tell you the Excel skills that you'll have learned after having completed this exercise. So just to start with the prerequisites then, first and foremost you'll want to have a Windows computer. Second, you'll want to have a fairly recent version of Microsoft Excel, and in particular no earlier than Microsoft Excel 2010. The reason for this is that I'll be using Microsoft Excel 2016 in this video series. The last prerequisite, which is optional, is to complete the first 5 exercises in this course, and the reason for this is that I'm going to assume that you're already familiar with the skills that I covered in those exercises. So just moving on to the actual task then, what are you going to be doing? Well, first and foremost, you're going to be learning how to solve finance-related problems using Microsoft Excel. And just diving in a bit deeper, you're going to be learning about key concepts that are crucial to understanding finance. So first and foremost, you're going to be learning about concepts that are related to the time value of money. So things such as the net present value, the internal rate of return, the present value, and the future value. And also we're going to be doing example questions that will be answered in Excel. The second thing as well that we'll be doing is covering bonds, and so you'll be learning both the features of a bond as well as how to value bonds. Now bear in mind that there will be quite a few questions relating to bonds, and those questions will be of a nature that you would find in a finance textbook. And so just to discuss the Excel skills that you'll have learned, well, first and foremost, you'll become acquainted with the future value and the present value functions. You'll also be introduced to the net present value and internal rate of return functions. You'll also learn about numerous date functions, and also you'll learn how to solve bond valuation problems in Excel. The last thing that I'd like to say is that in order to get the most out of this exercise, you're probably going to want to download the Excel file that I've provided for you. I'll put the link or the file itself in the appropriate area. The reason why you'll want to download this Excel file is to make sure that you're doing the actual steps that I'm demonstrating in the video series, because the best way to learn is to do it yourself. So I'm pleased to say that this now concludes my introductory video where I set out the 6th exercise. In the next video, I'm going to be introducing you to the time value of money. So, see you there.